Imagine reaching millions of potential customers worldwide with just a few clicks. That's the power of Google Ads, a service that has revolutionized the world of digital advertising. It's not just about getting your brand out there, but getting it in front of the right people at the right time. Google Ads offers an effective way to target your unique audience based on their interests, location, and even the types of websites they visit. Are you a small business looking to expand your reach? Or perhaps a large corporation seeking to strengthen your online presence? Google Ads can cater to all, providing a flexible and customizable advertising platform. It's not just about visibility, but about connecting, engaging, and growing your customer base. With Google Ads, you're not just advertising, you're creating opportunities, fostering relationships, and driving the success of your business. Ready to harness this power? Let's dive into how to get started with Google Ads. Creating a Google Ads account is your first step to tapping into a global audience. Now let's walk through the process step by step. You'll see, it's quite simple and straightforward. First things first, head on over to the Google Ads website. Right at the front and center, you'll find a welcoming Start Now button. A single click on this button will set you on your path. Next, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you don't already have one, don't worry. Creating a new account is as easy as pie. Just a few clicks and you're ready to go. Google does an excellent job of guiding you through the process, so you'll never feel lost. Once you're signed in, it's time to share some information about your business. You'll need to enter details like your business's website and location. This information is crucial as it helps Google understand who you are and what you do. Remember, the more Google knows about your business, the better it can help you reach your target audience. After that, you're ready to set up your first campaign. You'll need to provide details such as the campaign name, budget, and target audience. This step might seem a bit daunting, but don't fret, it's all part of the process, and we'll be going into more detail about this in the next scene. Finally, you'll need to configure your payment method. Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click model, so you'll only pay when someone clicks on your ad. Before you wrap up, make sure to review and submit your account information. Double-check everything, because accuracy is key here. And just like that, you've begun your journey to creating impactful ad campaigns. In the next scene, we'll delve deeper into how to input your business information accurately. Stay tuned, because the exciting part is just beginning. Google Ads needs to understand your business to help you reach the right people. You see, the more accurate the information you provide about your business, the better Google Ads can connect you with your ideal customers. Therefore, it's critical to input your business details with care. Let's start with your website. This is your online storefront, the hub of your business. Google Ads uses this to understand what you're offering. Are you a bakery selling cupcakes or a tech startup launching a new app? Your website tells that story. Next, location. Where are you based? Do you operate in a specific region or are you global? Your location helps Google Ads to target the right geographical audience. For instance, if you're a local pizza place in Chicago, you probably want to reach people in, well, Chicago. Now, take a moment to ensure everything is accurate. Remember, this information is the foundation of your ad campaigns. With your business information in place, you're one step closer to launching your first ad campaign. Setting up your first campaign is like laying the foundation of a building. It's the groundwork that will support all your advertising efforts. Let's dive into how you can set up your first campaign on Google Ads. First, you need to name your campaign. The name should be relevant and descriptive, something that will help you easily identify the campaign later. Think of it as a label you would put on a file in your office. Next, you need to set your budget. This is crucial as it determines how much money you're willing to spend on this campaign. You can start small if you're just testing the waters, or go big if you're confident about your strategy. Just remember, your budget is not set in stone. You can always adjust it later based on the performance of your campaign. Now, it's time to select your target audience. This step is like picking out the right guests for a party. You want people who will be interested in what you have to offer. You can target your audience based on various factors such as their location, age, gender, interests, and more. The more specific you are with your target audience, the better your chances are of reaching the right people. But what's a campaign without goals? Setting a goal for your campaign helps you track its performance. Whether you want to increase website traffic, generate leads, or boost sales, having a clear goal in mind will guide your campaign in the right direction. Lastly, you need to choose your keywords. These are the words or phrases that people use to search for products or services like yours on Google. Choosing the right keywords can put your ads in front of the right people at the right time. And there you have it. You've named your campaign, set your budget, selected your target audience, set your goal, and chosen your keywords. You've completed all the steps necessary to set up your first campaign on Google Ads. Congratulations, you've set up your first campaign. Now let's get it live. The moment of truth is here. It's time to launch your campaign. You've meticulously crafted your first ad, pinpointed your target audience, and set a budget. Now, what's left is the final review. This is a crucial step. Ensure every detail is accurate, from your business information to the specifics of your campaign. Next, you'll need to configure your payment method. Google Ads accepts a variety of payment options, so pick what's most convenient for you. Remember, this is where your budget comes into play, so make sure it aligns with your financial plans. The final step is to submit your account information. This is it, the moment you've been working towards. Hit that submit button. But don't rush. Take a moment, double-check everything.